So this is how it's done. The first step is to put a bump of solder on one of the pins. Sometimes this is already accomplished for you. I'm using ordinary, just 60-40 solder. And you put a bump on one of the pins, not too big. And use this, which is your main tool, a pair of sharp tweezers. And you can just do this. Quite straightforward. You take your part and you orient it. Hold it over the pad, make sure it's lined up. And that one bump holds it in place. And then you can easily solder the other pins. As you can see, the resist mask stops the additional solder from sticking anywhere it shouldn't. Now I have all of one side soldered quite securely. I can go and touch up the rest. I have a pin that's just bridged there. And then use just a little dab of flux. Just to make the solder flow nicely. Go and touch up the rest of the pins to make sure they're looking good. And there you have it. Looks fine.